What if I told you instead of paying $20 a month to use ChatGPT 4, you can use it for free? That's right. In this video, I share with you 8 free alternatives to ChatGPT 4. The first chatbot to offer free access to ChatGPT 4 is Chat Forefront. To start using, you type a message. Your chats are automatically named and organized into folders based on the subject. You have a default folder called My Chats. You have access to ChatGPT 3.5, ChatGPT 4. Personas are chatbots with unique personalities and capabilities. They just set up a default persona called Helpful Assistant, and you are free to add some others or to create it later. You send the message, and here we go. The message is your query or your prompt. You should always provide as much details as you can so ChatGPT 4 perfectly understands you. So my virtual assistant is planning my future trip these days. It suggests me some nice cities to visit, helping me with the suggested itinerary. It provides me some good quality details with day-to-day trips and tours to explore while in those countries with these bullet points, which I find it helpful. You can also share your chats with friends or colleagues. All you have to do is to click on the share button to copy as a shareable link to instantly share your chats. To immediately start using ChatGPT 4 for free, you can use the new Bing recently updated. You enter your queries, short, long, but precise to get your answers. You name the topic, and ChatGPT will reply. If you use other browsers than Microsoft, you first need to install this free extension, and as you can see, it's super easy to start using ChatGPT 4. My number 3 is this app. It provides AI ChatGPT 4 access 100% free. Actually, you don't have to pay the $20 per month to use it. All you have to do is to create a free account to start instantly to use it. You browse through the available templates, superpowers, general, education, fun, company, marketing, advertisers, sales, meetings, and so on. Or you sort by popularity. Alternatively, you can create your own template, no coding required. My number 4 is Poe. This is a platform that enables users to experiment with cutting-edge chatbot models, Claude, Sage, Neva, and Dragonfly for free. I've clicked to generate a cooking recipe, and all of a sudden it's generating all this content for me. Is as simple as that. Next we have Perplexity. You need to use your Google account, and then all you have to do is to head over to the search page. And this is mind-blowing. In my opinion, this is one of the best ways to access GPT for free in today's market. You can refine your query by accessing this panel. Perplexity will search according to your settings. It can search on YouTube, Reddit, or search across the internet. You decide. It delivers accurate answers. Perplexity AI is surprising and impressive in all the right ways. And this is Perplexity Copilot. It guides you. You can toggle on or off, and it guides your search experience with interactive inputs, leading to a rich, personalized answer powered by GPT-4. And I suggest you try it for free. Next we have Merlin. Merlin is a browser extension that provides one-click access to ChatGPT 4 on all websites. Merlin is trusted by over 600,000 users worldwide. It can be installed in the browser by clicking on the extension link provided on the website. Merlin has a revolutionary new user interface for using OpenAI ChatGPT on all of your favorite sites, including Google Search, YouTube, Gmail, LinkedIn, Substack, and 10 million other websites. Merlin can be used to summarize long YouTube videos, to write email replies, generate new content ideas, and master complex Excel formulas. The key benefits of Merlin include easy access to ChatGPT on any website using Control-M or Command-M if you are on a Mac OS, the ability to use Merlin on LinkedIn, Gmail, Twitter to create auto-draft replies on any of these platforms, and the ability to save prompts and access them later. How cool is that? Next, we have HuggingFace. This is an AI community that aims to advance and democratize natural language processing for everyone. They offer a variety of services, including the ability to serve models directly from HuggingFace infrastructure and run large-scale NLP models in milliseconds with just a few lines of code. To access ChatGPT for free, you can do it through a HuggingFace space like this one. The last one from my list is Aura. Aura is a web-based platform that enables users to quickly create applications using a chat interface that can be shared with others. Recently, Aura has introduced a new feature that allows users to experiment with ChatGPT 4 model at no cost. One of the major benefits of this website is that it requires no message restrictions whatsoever. Furthermore, there is no waiting time, as there is no queue to content with. Essentially, users can leverage the ChatGPT 4 model without any restrictions or fees. There you have it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, consider like or subscribe to the channel to get more amazing content like this. Watch the video you are viewing on the screen right now. It's related to this topic and you will love it.